first to welcome you to the beautiful city of Denver, Colorado. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until this aircraft is parked at the gate and Captain turned off the seatbelt sign. That's your indication it's safe to get up and collect your belongings. Use caution when opening overhead bins, as items do tend to shift or inflate. As items tend to shift and could fall out and cause injuries. If your cell phone's within reach, it is now safe to use them, but please do not stand up and retrieve them or any other items out of the overhead bins, and leave the personal items all the way underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. If you have a connecting flight here, please check the TV monitors throughout the terminal building for your current up-to-date gate information. This is the termination of this flight. Everyone will be getting off. So as you collect your belongings, please look around, especially in that seat back pocket, because once you step off this aircraft, you will not be able to step back on. So right now, this second, just open that seat back pocket and look down in there. Is there something that belongs to you? I would grab it at this time, because as I said, once you step off, you cannot come back on to retrieve it. Our service doors will be open for ground servicing for your safety and any children you're supervising. Only exit the door through which you entered in Salt Lake City up here next to me. It's been a pleasure spending a little bit of our day with you. We realize there's many airlines you could have chosen to fly. We greatly appreciate you choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. If everybody can do me a big favor, I want everyone to continue to smile, be kind to each other, and y'all come back and see us again real soon. From our family to yours, we want to wish you all a safe and happy holiday season and a happy new year.